everybody, Jason Fairchild here with Guaranty RV. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out this video today. We're going to go over a 2020 Coachmen Apex. It's the 253 RLS. Follow me inside and we'll finish off going over the exterior. I love this floor plan. Everybody likes the rear lounge, but it sometimes isn't made in a smaller trailer and it's hard to find. This is that trailer, so you do get the two chairs in the back, the big windows back here, your large U-shaped dinette. You've got your TV up front, kitchen across from your dinette there. Everything you need: oven, 3-burner stove, microwave with a hood. It's even got a built-in knife rack back here. Really cool trailer, really light trailer. Let's check out the bathroom and the bedroom. Really great bathroom. So it is in between the living area and the bedroom. You've got lots of storage, plenty of leg room around the toilet, and this is a great shower. Tons of space in there. Okay, up front here in the bedroom, really cool feature, you're getting a window. So a lot of extra light in here. So it's an RV queen. Really functioning trailer. So let's go out into the exterior and go over that. Check out the awning on this trailer. It runs almost the entire length. Incredible. So you've got all this space to hang out and entertain and get out of the weather. So as we move through the trailer, here we've got an exhaust for our furnace, the back of our fridge, our water heater, 110 power, and then a cable hook up here. So you can do all kinds of stuff underneath the awning here. As we move to the front, we've got a connection here for portable solar. Great feature. Prevents you from having to put holes in the roof. I really like that. Full pass through here underneath the bed. Great place to put large items you're taking with you. We've got the window and the front cap here. Isn't that a sharp looking trailer? Electric tongue jack, 2 5-gallon propane tanks. We will fill those, and we will also provide 2 batteries for this trailer. Here's the back side of that pass-through storage. So this rear lounge here is 7,600 pounds fully loaded. It's just over 5,000 pounds dry. I believe it'll tell us, yeah, it's 5,026 pounds dry. So really towable. Here we've got our black tank flush and our city water connection. Our potable water is right back here by the bay door. Hot and cold outside shower. It does have manual stabilizers on all 4 corners. Here we've got our slide. This has got the frameless windows. Really sharp looking. And back here we've got a cable hookup. And our main power, our short cord, will hook up here. It does come with the trailer. Back of our rear corner stabilizer, full-size bumper. The trailer is pre-wired for a backup camera. A lot of people are adding that these days. Very popular. Hey, thanks again everybody. Jason Fairchild, and I want to thank you for taking the time for watching this video on Guaranty's website. Again, it is the 2020 Coachmen Apex 253 RLS. Really cool floor plan and a new floor plan. Check it out. If you have any questions, give me a call. Thanks a lot.